Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to cancel auto payment on Netflix. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what you need to do is simply scroll over to the rightmost section. That's your profile. Simply hover over it. Something like this will open up. From here, let's just go to accounts. Now you will be in the accounts tab. In here, you can get many options like overview, membership and others. Right now, we need to check our membership details. So let's go to this membership tab right here. In the membership tab, if we scroll down to the very bottom, you will find something like cancel membership. Simply click on it. A page like this will open up. It will give you two options to either finish cancellation or simply pause for 1 month. Select whichever choice is most appropriate for you. You can either completely cancel your subscription or simply pause for a month. There is no exact definite way to cancel auto payment, but alternatively, you can do this as well. Simply click on any one of these and follow the prompts, and your process will be completed. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we cancel auto payment on Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.